Another use of Humics on fairways or benefit that I would see, stress tolerance, right? Everybody has a lot of cart traffic, a lot of divots. That's going to recover quicker because it's going to be a healthier plant. It's going to pull up those nutrients. Tee boxes, are going to see a little bit different use. There's a lot more divots and chunks taken out of it. And so a more branched root system is also going to be a stronger root system. And so you're going to probably see a smaller divot taken from each golfer because it's going to be a stronger turf that's going to be there. And then you should have quicker recovery as well. We saw, anywhere from 20 to 50% through our various studies. But when we compared it to something that lacks phosphorus, that's where we saw the biggest increase of up to 50%. And that's a big deal because some states have banned phosphorus applications to turf grass. And we see limitations coming with concerns over water quality.